Hi, I'm Mandy Wildman, and today we're going to be talking about thrifting clothes to upcycle and to sell, and what works usually and what doesn't usually. Let's get started. Now, whenever I go into a thrift store, it's really difficult for me not to look at all the delicious, yummy things in there. But I have to really rein myself in because the truth of the matter is, if I did that, I'd never make any money. Now, this is not necessarily the cheapest thrift store around, but I have an eye for a really good sign, and this kind is my favorite. So I head over to this section of the store, and I am being very specific in what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a couple of different things. Ooh, before I forget, I've got something really exciting to tell you about in a minute. Number one, things I can sell easily with a very little bit of fix-up. And number two, things I can transform into something absolutely amazing. I tend to look with my hands as well as my eyes because the feel of the fabric is just as important as the color and style. I'm looking for something very specific. I want lace, cotton, linen, denim, and silk, things that make my heart smile. Now, lace, I'm pretty picky about because I don't want the hard, scratchy lace. I want old lace. I'm looking for vintage lace that's been washed a lot and it's really soft and really pretty. Those are the 5 fabrics I really love, and there are bonus points if I find them vintage, very old, or pre-loved. I'm just really not a fan of synthetic, modern, yucky fabric that feels like soap. Sometimes you can do something kind of cool with it, so never say never. And on this particular trip, I found these 6 tops that were really cute, in good condition. I've cleaned them, and for $6, I'll probably just go ahead and sell them on eBay, Poshmark, and Depop, and I'd be surprised if I didn't make at least $75 from those. This coat was a ratty $5 quilt. I made this fairy dress from multiple pieces of lightweight fabric that I dyed to unify it. This duster was made from an old cardigan, some lace curtains, pieces of velvet, and some doilies. A men's plaid shirt and some 1980s floral curtains. A bleached cotton dress, vintage lace, and some embroidered linens. And 2 fabulous vintage lace tablecloths and a smiling face. I'm so excited to share the Refashion Rebels community with you. If you want to know what to make that actually sells, where to list it so it doesn't sit forever, and how to turn scraps into steady income, you need to be a part of the Refashion Rebels community. Right now, it's free to join. All you need to do is comment Rebel, and I'll send you my invite link. I built this for you. Come and see why.